Hi everyone, Caroline here. It's been such a long time since I've been online, and frankly, today is the first time in a long, long time where I've even felt that I have the mental capacity to even sit in front of a camera and share my thoughts. And sharing our thoughts and sharing our feelings and sharing our experiences, especially as pertains to what is happening in this now, is going to become more and more important. And if you are alive and you're a conscious being and you have embodied and you're integrating all the good things that you have learned or experienced or known about in the last many years, this is your time to come out and share without fear or favor. So, the energies since last year have really been so rough. I have been drained, I have been tired, I have been exhausted, I have been in the legal system, I have been dealt with, I have experienced people dying, it has my family crumbling, everything has just fallen apart. It's just been so rough. I don't even know how I managed to survive. I'm telling you, I went deep down into 3D stuff that I did not even think that was even able to go into, especially in the space at which I thought I had developed my consciousness. I really thought that I had overcome certain things, but I had not overcome those things. And 2025 showed me that I had not overcome certain things. And I had to experience things, levels and levels and levels and levels of things, ancestral stuff that I never thought that I would ever experience or be a part of. You know what I mean? Like, I was so naive, but I had to be taken down to that level where I went deep down and I really saw things for what they really were. And I understood yet again, because this is not the first time that I've been taken down a spiral. You know, every time you keep thinking that it's over, that you dealt with something, but you never know how deep the next level of clearing is going to be. And I really went through that. And I'm going to be sharing a little bit about that because I think it's really important. You know, sometimes we take things for granted, but they should not be taken for granted because you really think sometimes it's going upwards, but to go up, sometimes you gotta sink deep. You gotta go deep down and then bounce back up. And the good thing is that once that work is done, then you move on to the next higher spiral. But it's so painful. I mean, it's just been so much. Anyway, I am still in the process of trying to really get my bearings, but at least the consciousness, the conscious being that I am, has stayed firm and steady. There's just so much that I want to share. There's so much that I want to talk about. But this video is just going to be a short one to kind of jumpstart this channel. And I'll be making more videos because now I kind of feel that I'm back online and I'm able to share what I need to be sharing. So, anyway, I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to see you all. And let me know how the last year has been for you. But I'm seeing you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.